Hey everyone, it's me, your pal, Catalyst EXE. I'm coming at you with a quick little Thanksgiving message. I just wanted to make sure everyone on this very special day knows that everything's okay, and I don't need any help. You heard me right. Everything is A-okay, and I am not in any sort of peril. You have to believe me. Nothing is going on. I am not approaching the end of my life. That's right. It's all okay. Nothing to worry about. Nothing remarkable going on. No strange characters have entered my life recently. I just wanted you all to know that on this special day of giving thanks. I wanted to give thanks that I haven't been kidnapped and that I don't need any help